What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is one channel.
Hey.
Sheesh, we got Stunna on the line. Most flame producer in Milwaukee.
Hey.
And he's gonna take y'all through the Fruity Love filter.
The Fruity Love.
Sounds like Atlanta.
Yeah. So, if we look at this beat, this is a classic beat.
Made during the drought.
Let's just listen to it. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna use this wave file and I'm just gonna put it on the first track in your mixer. If you don't know how to do that, check out some of our other videos. So right now on the mixer, it's on track 1. So if you right click here, you can open up the filter and you can see the fruity, all the fruity filters, and then this eco, how do you say that?
Equal. Young Quo.
But
Equal.
we're gonna use a Fruity Love filter.
I might name my kid Equal. My next kid.
Eco.
Equal.
That's a good old name.
That is flames.
Eco. There you go.
Equal.
Yeah, or you can also hit this down arrow, and then you can also look for the Fruity Love filter.
That's the way I go.
If you're a normal nigga.
Yeah. Normal inwards.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's basically it. You look at the Fruity Love filter. So I'm just gonna. What I do is I usually play it, and then I go through these presets. So I usually hit this top right.
Yeah, you can already hear the difference.
Hit default. Low
Distortion.
pass.
Oh,
High, low, double.
that sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, so like what I'll do, I don't really have the best technical way of doing this. It's just kind of like feel. So I kind of play with this X, Y knob, and you can also change the X and Y with these knobs right here for the modulation. And sometimes I'll change the volume, I'll change the cutoff, change the envelope. And
Some
I
pretty
don't really
advanced
know too
stuff.
much about this one, but sometimes I'll just play with these knobs. Maybe I'll have to do another more technical breakdown, but music is a feel, so you just kind of just pull that sound that you want. What do you do?
Nice. I mean that's pretty much it. I mean I mostly just change, like you said, that part where you just kind of like adjust the X and the Y.
Yeah, so that's really the best part. And right here, instead of going through all the different low pass filters, you can just go to your presets, and then you can put a lot of like normal, like low pass, your basic low pass, high pass filters. You can put some gates in it, some phasers. Phasers are real fun, make that sound kind of like travel back and forth.
Yeah.
And let's just open that up, go into the presets. You can even sidechain inside of the Fruity Love.
Man, ain't nothing fruity about that.
And I kind of tweak it a little bit, change the cutoff. Yeah, so that's my little cheat. I love using the Fruity Love.
You would. Cool. Nice job. Let me conclude by, let's go back to that one that we had that was called, I think it was like a low pass. If you're gonna like automation clip it.
Yeah, so let's throw that in.
Auto clip it. And then
Auto clip.
auto clip. Franco auto. Yo, we gotta make fun of Franco as much as possible before he gets famous. For real.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I probably should have done it the opposite way. That ain't sheesh worthy right there.
Yeah, and if you guys want to know more about the automation clips, just check out some of our other videos. We'll break that down.
True. There we
just lets you change the intensity of the filter effects that you want.
Right. I think the most noticeable things here are, this is more like super advanced stuff comparatively, but I think anybody can pretty much like play with this and find the sound that they like, and then I know anyone can click the preset button.
Yep.
So
yeah, maybe one day we'll do an advanced video.
yeah, like yeah. So stay tuned for part 2 where we take like a super advanced look into the Love filter. Get you extra fruity and extra in love. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. What else?
Yeah, hit that subscribe.
Sub it up. Sub it like you hungry for a sandwich. You feel me? Oh, Lord. Alright, y'all. Peace out.